today we're opening day number 23.
23? What is in day number 23? Squishy. Let's have a look. Not long now, only a couple of days till Christmas. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. What is in day number 23, Pearly? Show us.
I think it's one of those cut strips of those.
Cut apart sheet?
Yeah.
You keep guessing that. We haven't had one of them yet, so it could be it.
Maybe it's in 25.
Maybe. Let's have a look.
No, it is actually a book.
Ah, it's the second book. This one featuring that second collection. Mind Over Matter. Lots of gorgeous cards and scrapbooking layouts with that collection. So another inspiration book is in day number 23. Join us again tomorrow for Christmas Eve. Let's find out what is in day number 24. I've been dying to have a look at what's in day number 24 for a long time. See you tomorrow. Bye.